Hey guys, Miami Gunner here. I just installed my folders. Now I got some brand new Vortex Crossfire red dots. They were on sale, so I picked up two, one for each of the vectors. Let me do a little unboxing, show you guys what comes inside. You get the manual, microfiber, and let's see, cross our fingers for stickers. Nope, no stickers. Guess you didn't pay enough. You're a Vortex Nation, but they don't give you a sticker. All right. So let's get this out of the bag. It already comes with the co-op, the co-witness riser. Overall, I kind of like it. It's pretty clean. I like the engraving it has on the front. I don't like the fact that it puts the battery number there. Like, you know, I can take out the battery and look. So yeah, first off impressions, I like it. Right off the bat, one thing I can already see that I'm gonna hate, I have SIG's Romeo MSR on my other vectors, and it has 00, if that makes any sense, so 2 offs. So basically you can go from 0 to 11 or from 0 to night vision, which is, you know, dim. And I can see on this one that you have to go all the way from 0 all the way to 11 every single time. And I live in Miami where it's super sunny and I shoot outdoors, so I'm always gonna have it on 11. So yeah, right off the bat, I'm already liking the cheaper SIG Romeo more in that aspect. And then my Holosun has, you know, the digital, so that's even better. But obviously the price range is way more. But again, just looks wise, I like it. Let me see, I already installed the battery. Let me show you guys the reticle. So yeah, I just went all the way up to 11. And I guess on the camera it just looks horrible because it looks enormous. I mean, it's not a small reticle, definitely isn't, but it just appears enormous on camera. But yeah, as you saw though, until like 7 you can't really see it. So yeah, all those settings, you know, again, I don't really like it, but again, I'll do a follow-up video and let you guys know how I feel about it overall. But overall, looks wise, it's my favorite part. And obviously, if you know about Vortex, they have lifetime, basically unconditional warranty, so that's the main reason for grabbing them. And I got them on sale, so I can't complain. So yeah, let's get these Allens and let's put them on the vectors, see how they look. So a big question about you know, red dots is where you're gonna put them. Honestly, it's wherever you want, but they said you should get it as far forward possible as you can. I don't like going too forward, but on the Kriss Vector, for example, let me show you guys what I like to do is I put them right here so that the back of it is pretty much flush. Here it just seems a little too forward for me, and for some reason for me, I'm a little OCD, that just seems like the perfect spot. So yeah, on a Kriss Vector, this is where I would go as far as the position of the red dot. And you see you're still far from the ejection, so you don't have a chance of a shell hitting your, you know, your reticle. All right, the first one's on. And again, despite the few things that I mentioned that I'm not a huge fan of, I'm still pretty happy with it. Again, it has, you know, great warranty, so a friend of mine has had good experience, you know, getting service through their warranty. So again, that's my main reason for going with Vortex. So now let's go and install this on the 45. So again, I just like to be basically flush with the rear of this pin. So that seems perfect for me. So basically the Vortex lines up with the pin. It's just coincidental, but if you guys wanna, you know, put it in the same space, you can go by that. These have a torque spec to how much you should tighten them and stuff. Yeah, just don't go too crazy. And like this one, for example, is a 45, so you definitely, right here where it engages, you definitely want to do a little bit of blue Loctite right there. because 45 is definitely gonna hit. The other ones are 22, so for the reticle, I'm not even gonna worry about it. But yeah, this is the Vortex Crossfire red dot, and this is how they look on a Kriss Vector. This is how they look on an Alpine white. How it looks on a black one. Let me know what you guys think. Would you have gone with the Vortex, the SIG Romeo MSR, or the Holosun? I personally love the Holosuns, but my Holosun 503 was almost $300, so I could have bought, I think, 4 of these at the sale for the price of one Holosun. So that was the main factor for buying these Vortex. So, yep.